making some Callaloo seasoned rice, and I'm gonna add some shrimp to it. So I'm gonna prepare the shrimp. So the shrimp is already washed, and these are some raw shrimp that are already deveined. So I'm going to season the shrimp with a little turmeric, not too much, just a little. I'm also going to use a little paprika so I can get a nice color. I'm also going to use some all-purpose seasoning along with some red pepper flakes. And I'm just going to combine this together. So I'm just going to set this aside, and then I'm going to work on my vegetables. Here are the ingredients that we're using for our Callaloo rice. So what we have here is the Callaloo. We have 1 can of Callaloo, and I use the canned Callaloo because that's the one I have available, and it's the greased Callaloo. I have some pumpkin. I have about 1/4 pound of pumpkins there. I have 1 carrot. I have bell peppers. I have red and green bell peppers. I also have a Scotch bonnet pepper with some pimento seed, coconut milk, grey cock soup, scallion and thyme. I have onion and I have garlic. I'm going to use the garlic for the shrimp. So this is what I have so far. I also have some butter bean that I had remaining from the oxtail that I did the other day, so I might just put it in there. These are the list of ingredients. So come, let's cook. To the pot, I'm going to add butter. So to that, I'm going to add some garlic. And then this is my shrimp that I seasoned earlier. I'm just gonna add these to the pot. I might turn up the stove a little more. Alright, so I need 2 minutes each on each side. So we're just gonna turn these on the other side. I don't want to cook these too much because I think I'm gonna add them to the top of the rice once the rice is almost done. So I'm just gonna go in and remove these from the pot. Alright, so we're just gonna set these aside. To this same pot, I'm gonna add a little tip of olive oil, just a little tip. So I'm gonna go in with the onions, scallion, thyme, bell peppers, carrots, pumpkin, 1 pot this enough. Let me just add. I am not going to add the Callaloo yet because the Callaloo already cooked. So we need the pumpkin and the pumpkin mainly to cook before I add the callaloo. I'm gonna go in with some coconut milk. Add some water to that. So I'll cook the pumpkin maybe like say 5 minutes. We'll come back and we'll check on the pumpkin. I'm just gonna cover this and then I'll be back. So let's check in on the pot. Guys, this is about 10 minutes coming left. I'm gonna pour, do all kind of something. But this smells so good. What I'm gonna do is add the hot soup to it. So I'm gonna add the entire pack to it. I'm also gonna add the beans. Alright, so we're gonna taste the pot and just adjust the flavor at this point. See if it need any more salt or anything else. You see, because this need a little salt. You can use salt. I'm gonna use a little adobo, all-purpose. I'm also gonna add some turmeric just to give it a nice color. I did add some to the shrimp already, but I'm gonna add some color to the rice. So just give this a good mix, taste again, and then we'll add our callaloo and rice to the pot. Okay, this is good. So I'm gonna add the callaloo. So one gets everything out of the bowl. So it smells so good. All right, so the callaloo, I'm gonna soak up some of the coconut milk and all the flavor. I'm gonna go in with my washed rice. The rice washed already. So I'm just gonna cover this and let that steam. So checking on the rice. I want to keep the pepper inside. Alright, so what I'm gonna do now is add the shrimp on top. So I'm just gonna place them on top so them can finish cook. Well, them practically cook, so we kind of warm them up then. We're gonna warm them up. So we have one more. All right, little bell pepper. I'm just gonna sprinkle them, and this is just for appearance. You know, you want the dish to look vibrant and pretty. All right, so just gonna cover this. All right, so that's what we have. Okay, let me take my camera off.